Reagan. I'm one of the nurses here. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So tell me a little bit about why you chose to do the vampire breast lift procedure.
Well, I had a breast augmentation about 5 years ago.
Okay.
And I've lost a little bit of sensitivity around my nipples.
Okay.
And also I feel like I don't have a whole lot of symmetry. One of the pockets when my augmentation was done was made a little bit bigger than the other, so I feel like they've kind of always been a little bit off.
Okay, awesome. So the vampire breast lift will be perfect for that. It is really good for loss of sensation after surgery, especially in the nipple area. We'll do an injection kind of right around that nipple area to help bring that sensation back. And then as far as asymmetry, the platelets will kind of contribute to the volume in the cleavage area, and we can add, of course, more to one side rather than the other, and kind of talk about, you know, which area that you notice it more. If you notice that you have like more volume in the cleavage on one side compared to the other, we can try to fix that asymmetry with it.
Great.
Okay.
Awesome.
Do you have any questions?
What's the downtime?
So there really is no downtime. That's what's amazing about the procedure, because it is non-surgical. You can go about your day like normal. So you can go to work, you can exercise, there's really no downtime. You can expect though to be a little bit bruised and swollen because it is injections, okay?
Yes.
But it's nothing that you can't do an activity about.
Okay, great. And so I don't need to like not sweat for a certain amount of time?
Nope.
Okay, perfect. And the pain level?
So everyone is a little bit different, but most people say that it's not necessarily painful. We do put numbing cream on. It's mostly just that there's a burning sensation, a slight burning sensation with the injection of the platelets.
Okay.
Okay, Emily, so we're just gonna go ahead and kind of mark the area we want to inject the platelets. So go ahead and kind of show me the asymmetry you were telling me about.
So this side, this pocket wasn't open as much. So sometimes I feel like when I wear a bra, this has a lot more volume.
Okay.
And this one doesn't.
Okay, so do you feel like you notice it more in this section then, because it's cleavage?
Yeah,
okay.
mostly.
So let's go ahead and mark that. And we'll mark this side as well. And then which side, or was it both sides that you experienced the loss of sensation in your nipples?
It's mostly this side.
This side? Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll make sure we go inject that nipple. Okay, so what we'll do then is we will inject the platelets all in this cleavage area. It'll be really nice. You'll see the instant volume from the plasma, right? And then as in about 3 weeks to 3 months, you'll start to see some of the changes take place. So you'll notice the skin will start to thicken. You'll notice more volume in the cleavage area. You already have a breast augmentation, so you already have that nice added volume, and so you'll just notice a little bit extra, especially in the areas that, you know, were bothering you. The great thing about the procedure is that it starts working within 3 weeks to 3 months, but the benefits kick in more at the 3 month to 6 month mark. You'll notice even more volume, more collagen building, a better glow, thicker skin, things like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and place some numbing cream on now.
Great.
Okay. I have to just feel the implant, that's all I'm doing. Okay, you ready? How does it feel, Emily? Burning?
Oh, a little bit now.
Okay. Everyone's pain tolerance is different, but I mean, the burning can be a little bit intense, so.
Oh.
What? You already like it, huh? Yeah, see, it's like we've added hardly any, and it already like made such a difference, you know? Burning, huh? A little bit. Look at that, Emily. Look at that already, though.
Oh my gosh, yes. That's so weird. That's crazy.
Okay.
So why does it burn?
Because the pH is a little bit different in this than compared to your own body's tissues, your own blood, so it's gonna burn a little bit.
Got it.
Yep. Yeah, you have such good volume, it's like, you know. true lack of sensitivity. So I don't even feel it. I was like, I didn't think about that.
This is great.
All right, then we're out. There you go, girl, look at that. You got even, you got nice cleavage. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it off.